Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you where to find the save game files and config file for Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake on Windows PC. First, open File Explorer and go to this PC. C Drive. Users. Your username. Now open the App Data folder, then open Local. After that, find and open the KoeiTecmo folder, then open the Fatal Frame 2 demo folder. Next, open the Save Data folder. After that, you will need to open two more folders. Inside those folders, you will find the Save Game files. To access the config file, go back to the KoeiTecmo folder and open the Fatal Frame 2 folder. Then open the Save Data folder. Here you will see the graphics file. Open the graphics file using Notepad. This file contains the game configuration settings. So that's where you can find the save game files and config file for Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake on PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.